Good morning, YouTube. This is Fuzzbuzz coming to you live from Antalya, the sunny, the beautiful Antalya. And in this video we are going to do a review of the MT helmet Targo that I bought not long ago. I did a review, or a box opening review, let's say, about 2 weeks ago or so. Since then I have been on the road. I did a road trip, 1,000-kilometer road trip to Ankara and back with the helmet. So I just want to tell you guys a little bit about the helmet, what I like about it and what I don't like about it. There's not much I don't like about it really, but to start with, I will put a link to the helmet box opening up here somewhere, so please, if you haven't seen it, you can click on that and watch it, how I open the box and do a little bit of a chat on my first review on it, on what I think about the helmet when I've seen it. And in this review we're going to talk about what the helmet feels like after riding with it for 1,000 kilometers. First of all, I just want to say it's not a paid review, so MT are not paying me, or anybody else is not paying me. This is totally, I went out and bought this with my own hard-earned cash, and doing the review solely on my own thoughts and experience. So here we go. First of all, let me say, I love the look of it, the shape of it. It's nearly 1.5 kilos, but it feels a lot lighter on your head. Once you wear it and you're going, it feels really light, which is good. Secondly, the air vents. It has one on your chin, one on top of your head, and two above your head on the side, each side. And let me tell you, I went riding to Ankara, 500 kilometers, stopping every 150 kilometers or so. It was a 34-degree day, cracking day, weather-wise, and I didn't feel it at all. So the air vents are massive plus. It feels ventilated. I didn't sweat at all. I've got a sweaty skin type, I guess, and not one bit of sweat, which is awesome. I really love that feature about it. I think MT have done a good job and put the air vents in the right places, and there's enough ventilation there that will keep most people happy. The visor, the view out of the visor is brilliant. There's nothing blocking your view. You can see right around, which is good and important, I guess. And the visor opens and closes all fine. It clicks into place, has a little lock down the bottom, which is good. Easy to clean, it comes off. So visor, we don't have a problem. The padding inside is good. It feels really secure. Obviously, if you buy the right size for your head, it makes the world of difference. It's not going to move. It sits solid on your head. It feels secure on your head, wraps around your cheeks, and I've got big cheeks, so no problem there. And yeah, so all went well on my first solo trip, and felt awesome, felt really secure, didn't have many problems with it at all. So yeah, the review is definitely a positive one. The only one downside to the helmet, I would say, is it should have had a black visor on the inside, like a sunglasses where it comes down and up, if you like. I think it should have. I broke my sunglasses trying to fit my sunglasses on, so I'm a bit pissed off about that. If it had that, then I wouldn't need to carry a pair of sunglasses around, and it would be easy, just pull it down and up as you wish. Other than that, I know people are going to say you should have bought the model with the sunglass in it. Yep, you're 100% right, maybe I should have, but it would have been better if it came with the helmet, this helmet, anyway. Other than that, really, overall I give the helmet an 8 out of 10. Not much to fault with it. Good helmet for the price, and yeah, I definitely recommend, if you're looking for a helmet, that is, something simple, something plain. This is the matte black one of the MT Targo range, and yeah, I think you will be very happy with the helmet. So, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so to Fuzzbuzz. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down if you didn't like the review. And stay safe out there. Make sure you wash your hands regularly. This is Fuzzbuzz signing out. Till next time, stay tuned and stay well. Adios.
I love Fuzzbuzz.